Hello and welcome to another weekly guided meditation. I'm Siddhartha. I'm a hip-hop and R&B artist, but I recently started doing these weekly meditations because I'm passionate about mindfulness and it's something I wanted to do. So this week, I've been on kind of a whirlwind with social media and really just needed a detox from it. Kind of sent me on a spiral. So in this day and age, I realized that the presence of it does impact a lot of our mental health. So I wanted to do a guided meditation on social media detox. So we're going to try it. Keep it nice and simple. You can lay down, sit up like this, whatever you're comfortable with, and we can get started. So when you're ready, go ahead and take a deep breath through your nose. Breathing out gently through your mouth. If you'd like, feel free to close your eyes and just take some time to settle into the pace of your breath. Feel the weight of your shoulders and the tenseness within your muscles loosen. As you continue to focus on your breath. You may be in a quiet environment or a loud environment. I'm in a park next to a busy road. That's okay. Focus on your breath. If you notice any other sounds, just observe. Feel grounded in this moment. Everything that's happening around you, let it happen. There's nothing but you and your breath in this moment. Just breathe. Sometimes we have a long day and come home or just get out of work and flip on TikTok or Instagram Reels and get into this swiping loop for that quick hit of dopamine, that quick boost of happiness. And sometimes it can also lead us to negative thoughts, comparing, wanting. If you observe those thoughts coming to your mind as I speak of them now, just observe them. Notice how it makes you feel. And then watch them pass, let them pass, and return your attention back to your breath. Realize that happiness lies within us, the contentment for being able to breathe, being able to sense, being alive in this moment. Notice how that feels. Notice how good that feels. Just your breath and your sensations and your body. Let's take one more deep breath through your nose. And at your own pace, as you breathe out, gently open your eyes and bring your awareness back to your surroundings when you're ready. Thank you for joining me in this quick social media detox meditation. And I will see you in the next one. Please subscribe if you'd like to do these weekly with me, or if you'd like to check out my music. I'm grateful for you. Thank you.